So guys, welcome back with another amazing video. In this video I am going to explain how we can create different types of playlist in our YouTube application. So first of all, open YouTube application, and here are different types of videos which are recommended by the YouTube by default. And for example, I want to save this video to watch again and again. So what we can do, first of all, click on the three dots, and you can see the second option is save to watch later. It is a by default playlist, but how we can create a new playlist with a different name, so we can sort our different videos in different categories. So this is the third option, save to playlist. Click, and you can see the option watch later. Then the at the bottom it is a plus icon, new playlist. Click, and here you can see, you can write a title. I create a title name, tech videos. Then the second option is you can keep the videos private, you can make them public. So I keep these playlists private. So you can click on collaborate option, so it is up to you. So then click the create. Now I want to add this video to some music category. Then click three dots, then again click on the save to playlist. Then you can see watch later, and the second playlist is created tech video. And then again, at the bottom there is plus sign with new playlist. Click, add some title. I suggest the name of the playlist my music. Create. So playlist created. So click the three dots of this video, save to playlist, and you can see there are three options. Watch later, it is a by default category of the playlist, then my music, and then tech video. I have created these two playlists, so I can add more videos to these playlists, or I can create some other playlist to according to my choice, according to my needs. I think that's enough for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.